Here's a look at your daily market report on this Tuesday, the 8th day of July. Take a look at the early listings for around the state today at the auction barns. Ozarks Regional Stockyards expecting a lighter run, about 1,000 head there. Kingsville, they had about 1,500 head of feeders on their early listing. Unionville Livestock Auction, they're going to have a small auction today. Got 3 loads of those heavy 8-weight Rockin' R steers, plus about 75 head of replacement cows. Sell at F&T Livestock Market today. However, no early listings available there. Same story for Interstate Regional Stockyards and Southeast Missouri. They're both having sales today, but no early listings there. Exotic week at Lolly Brothers Livestock Market, so no feeder cattle sale there this week. On Monday, Callaway Livestock Center had 3,694 head. Feeder steers and heifers there, firm to $15 higher. They had several large consignments of some high-quality reputation cattle that really pushed the market yesterday. The steers, medium and large ones, 4 to 500 pounds, 423 to 495. 5 to 6 weights at 389 to 454. 6 to 7 weights, 362 to 390. Some fancy up to 407.50. 7 to 8 weight steers at 327 to 352. A load of 884 pound steers at 313.75. Feeder heifers 4 to 500 pounds, 390 to 427. 5 to 6 weights at 344.5 to 388. Some fancy up to 421.25. 6 to 7 weights at 336.50 to 357.50. 136 head of heifers, averaging 728 pounds, brought 316.5. Box beef cutout values, choice up $3.28 at $394.26. Select up $1.98 at $379.51. Those values based on 49 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. A choice select spread at $14.75. Negotiated feedlot trades so far for the week, a few hundred sales outside of the major feeding regions. Not really enough to test the market so far. Last week, 51,945 head. The weighted average price on the live sales at $229.56. That was down 25 cents from the week previous. Dress sales at $369.10. That was down 28 cents from the previous week. Taking a look at the futures markets at midday on the Mercantile Exchange. Live cattle for August up $2.70 at $218.60. October up $2.57, $215.52. December up $1.97 at $215.40. August feeder cattle $316.80 up $307. September at $316.87 up $335. October at $314.77 up $342. Lean hogs for July unchanged at $106.95. August down 52 at $106.57. October at $92.32 down 55. On the Board of Trade, corn contracts are 3.5 to 4.5 cents lower at midday. July at $413.5. September at even $4. December at $416.25. Soybeans 3 to 6 3/4 cent lower. July at 10.28.5, August 10.24 3/4, September at 10.09 3/4, November new crop beans at 10.17 3/4. Wheat contracts, July's up 7 1/4 at 5.47, September down 2 1/4, 5.46 1/4, December at 5.67 1/2, down 2 3/4. Soybean meal for July down 40 cents a ton, 268.10. Soybean oil for July down 17 cents a hundredweight at 53.90. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your farm news. This is Tony Hancock.